What's up YouTube, it's your girl Heaven and I'm back with another freaking video. I know it has been like forever since I posted anything due to COVID-19. Ignore that cough, it wasn't a cough, I was clearing my throat. I have moved and I've been trying to figure out financial issues and stuff like that, so I just didn't feel like I was in the mood to be recording. But I'm back and today I'm gonna be doing a wig install. I'll have everything in this description box below, including the items that I'm using to style this wig and everything. So without further ado, let's get into the freaking video. All right, so I'm gonna start off by pulling this down more over my ears, and then I need to cut a hole in the ear section where I can. Oh, all that noise. Okay, so I'm gonna take your scissors, cut a hole, and then pull your ear through. Make sure it's still tight up against your head. That's why I do the whole kind of. But I'm gonna take some got to be freeze spray and do a couple layers across my forehead and blow dry it. I'm gonna speed through this process, so continue watching. This is the hair. It is from Ucrown. It is 150 density and it is 18 inches. It comes with a comb in the middle top, two on the side, one in the back, and adjustable straps. I like to hook mine on the last one, just because my head is not as big as it looks. It is actually pretty small, but the wig is constructed very well. I like that. It's very neat. It is supposed to have been pre-plucked. It doesn't look as though they did much pre-plucking. It does come with some already prepped baby hairs, but I will probably make my own. And I'm not sure, this seems like a 13 by 4 lace, so it's not that deep, but I'll work with it. We'll figure it out together. Now here's my dilemma. I don't know if I want to keep it this natural brown black color, or if I want to add some highlights, or if I want to add you know how they do the little strip of blonde in the front. I haven't figured that out yet, so I'll be right back after I wash this wig and figure out whether or not I want to dye it. Y'all gonna see. Y'all just gonna see. It's gonna be a surprise to the both of us. Okay, ladies, so After bleaching and washing the hair, this is my finished result. I'm gonna go ahead and install it now so you can see what it looks like on me. Okay, I'm gonna be using Ghost Bond glue. You can use this at any hair store, Amazon, Sally's, eBay, anyway. And I'm going to apply this to my hairline, spread it, blow it out, blow dry it, and yeah, go ahead and watch me do that.